Hi guys, good morning. So இன்னைக்கான யுனிவர்சல் லா என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். லா ஆஃப் ஜெண்டர் தெரியுதா? Law of gender. So this law embodies the truth that gender is manifested in everything, the masculine and feminine. Law is ever at work on all planes of causation. Gender manifests on all the three planes of causation, which are the great spiritual plane, the great mental, and physical plane. Okay, so this law embodies gender, is manifested as everything. So, what I understand from this universal law is there is duality everywhere in the first these three planes: spiritual plane, mental plane, and physical plane. Okay, so these duality, we should know what are the dualities. Okay, and one among the duality is gender duality. Gender duality is masculine and physical, feminine. Okay, so this masculine and feminine gender states the physical body, not the energy inside, how you appear physically. Okay, so if you have a feminine body, you are called as female, and if you have a masculine body, you are called as masculine. So this gender differentiation and this gender manifestation duality is there on this earth, and below earth also there was two plane. Even in that planes also it is manifested, because in animal realm is also there, even in the fish, even sometimes even in the trees also. Palm tree, there is male palm tree, female palm tree. So from the lower level to upper level it is there gender differentiation. So that is what it is said in this. So this duality is there in this three dimensional plane, as well as we perceive that three dimensional plane only in our mental plane, isn't it? So in that mental plane also we have this gender differentiation, and this mental plane is intaken within us through that spiritual plane. So even in that spiritual plane also we have this gender differentiation. So there is gender differentiation. How we bring this gender differentiation into oneness is different agenda. This is what this law states, law of gender. So there are two genders, there is duality, and one among the duality is gender duality also. So in gender duality there are two genders, masculine and feminine, and it manifests everywhere, it manifests in everything, and it is in the three planes. This is what this law states. Okay, so let us meet in some other law tomorrow. Until then, bye.